Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, August 7, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 6.25 points to 28.56 per contract. So all in all, futures are a little bit higher as we start this trading session, but we have lots of earnings out here, so let's get started there. Let's start with TWLO. TWLO is the ticker symbol here. This stock has been a major winner in 2018, and it continues its winning ways this morning. Right now, the stock is trading at 74.05. It closed at 63.27, so you can see this is a big pop higher, $10 move. If you own this stock, trail the stop loss, because we don't have a whole lot of data to work off of. This stock only came public around July of 2016, so you see we're dealing with about 2 years worth of data, and this is now testing the old highs. So the old highs here were $70.96. If you take a look at price right now, you'll see we're trading at 74. So we are above those levels, but again, we are long in the tooth, so we got to be a little bit careful here. If you own TWLO, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't chase it up here. Let's see what it does to see if it comes back in a little bit. We'll see how it reacts intraday, and we'll take it from there. But that is a fantastic move ahead of the opening bell on TWLO. Next up, we want to take a look at STSY. ETSY is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $47.52, closed at $42.43. So this is a pretty solid pop as well. This is another stock where it's kind of a new issue. It's only been around since May of 2015, but it is making new all-time highs today. So great move for ETSY. If you own the stock, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just leave it alone at this stage of the game. But there still could be more upside in this chart. When you look at this daily pattern, that is a good, strong pattern that indicates further upside. Here it is live time. See, the stock is trading at 47 and change. There's nothing to say this stock can't go to 50 bucks or more. So again, if you own ETSY, trail the stop loss immediately, but try to let it run because it might have some more legs to the upside. Here we have Hertz HTZ. They reported earnings this morning. Stock is trading at 16.25, closed at 15.67. So again, Hertz Rent-A-Car, or Hertz Global as it's called now, catching a little bit of a bid. In sympathy, we want to take a look at CAR, which is Car Avis Budget. You're going to see this is trading at 36.25, upticking a little bit as well. We have Weight Watchers on the radar. WTW today. Stock is trading at 89.50. It closed at 92.20. So it did have a really good initial sell-off all the way down to 83 bucks. I would have loved to have seen it. Would have gave us a gap play, but it has recuperated quite a bit. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it plays out. Still looks like there is some support at 85. We'll look at that once the opening bell rings, see if that is worthy if it does trade down there. I'm not 100% sure since we did trade sharply through it in the after hours yesterday, but we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if 85 level can still be tested and hold as support. Let's take a look at Zillow Group. This is getting roasted today. Stock closed at $59. It is now trading at $49.20. So Zillow Group coming unraveled here. I have a great level mathematically, a little bit lower. I think we're going to use that level today. So if you want to trade Zillow Group alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right with us. We're having a great 2018. Next up, let's take a look at Marriott. Ticker symbol is MAR. Stock is trading at $125.99, closed at $129.28. So you got some down ticking in this name. Still a lot of support around 120 if it gets there today. I don't know if it will. If it does, though, I like that level. Keep it on the radar. You will get a play there on the long side. Here we have XRAY, X-Ray. This is Densplay Serona. Stock right now is trading at $40.04, closed at $48.44. This has really been unraveling really throughout 2018, and you could even make a case that it peaked in November of last year. But we'll have some gap levels for this ready to go. We are getting close to those levels. So again, we'll look at them and we'll see how it plays out. Next up, we have Dean Foods. This has been another toilet bowl stock. Stock just can't get out of its own way. It closed at $9.47 yesterday. Now trading at $8.40. Dean Foods under pressure again this morning. Let's take a look at ESRX. Looks like there was a letter from Call Icon sent out to the Cigna shareholders saying these urgent shareholders not to vote for the Express Scripts deal. This stock getting hit a little bit this morning. Closed at $76.83. Now trading at $75.25. So that is getting hit this morning. And again, Carl Icahn urging shareholders to not vote for the Cigna deal. Now I have a level that I would get interested in Express Scripts today. It's going to be around $68. So keep that on the radar. If it gets down there, there's a play. If it doesn't, we don't do anything. Next up, let's take a look at MNK, which is Mallinckrodt. Mallinckrodt right now trading at $28.20. It closed at $24.35. Great little pop there. Now it is getting a little bit long in the tooth here. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone at the moment. But this is getting a little bit long in the tooth here for my liking. So, again, be a little bit careful here. We'll see if this is a potential fade candidate once the opening bell rings. We'll take a closer look at that in the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold getting a little bit of a bid today. That is up $3.70 to $1,221.40 an ounce. If you take a look at the dollar, what you're going to notice is the dollar is down, ticking a little bit today. Dollar down, gold up, and that's kind of the way it works right now. So again, gold catching a little bit of a bid, but gold has been a major loser in 2018. Next up, we want to take a look at crude oil. Crude oil this morning trading up 71 cents to $69.73 a barrel. Crude oil on the move this morning, making a little bit of a pop. And you can see the USO, which is good ETF to track crude oil movement, trading at $14.51, closed at $14.31. So gold up, oil up, dollar down, stocks all over the place. Let's get ready for some action today. And again, if you haven't done so, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. All right, with that being said, everybody have a great and wonderful trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.